This is lesson 12.3, experimental probability of compound events for 7th grade. Okay, we begin with the sport activity. Compound event is an event that includes two or more simple events, such as flipping a coin or rolling a number cube. Okay, we begin with A. What are the possible outcomes of flipping a coin once? There is heads, you complete in your book, and tails. In B, what are the possible outcomes of rolling a number cube once? There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the faces of the cube. Okay, it's going to be C. Complete the list of all possible outcomes for flipping a coin and rolling a cube. Then you have head and obtain 1, head and obtain 2, head and obtain 3, head and obtain 4, head and obtain 5, and head and obtain 6. Now tail and obtain 1, tail and 2, tail and 3, tail and 4, tail and 5, and tail and 6. Okay, there are, if you check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 possible outcomes. Now, in D, do the experiment and write your records, okay? Then you can answer E and F of page 381. We continue with page 382, example 1. I'm going to erase. This for you complete the page 381. We continue with example 1. Okay, calculating experimental probability and compound events. Now the sample 1 tell. A food trader serves chicken and records this order size and cites other orders as shown in the table. What is the experimental probability that the next order is for 3 pieces and coleslaw? Okay, we have the next table. 2 pieces and 3 pieces. And we have green salad, mac and cheese, French fries, and coleslaw. Okay, coleslaw. Okay. Now here we have 33, 22. These are the orders, okay? 2 and 35. And the other is 13, 55, 65, and 55. The step 1. We want to find the total number of trails. Okay, we have to add all the numbers there. 33 plus 22 plus 52 plus 35 plus 13 plus 55 plus 65 plus 55. And it's going to be 330. Now, in the step 2, we want to find the number of orders that are from 3 pieces and coleslaw. Then it's going to be 55. Then we're going to find in the step 3, we're going to find the probability. Then the probability to find 3 pieces and call slow, it's equal to the number of 3 pieces and slow, and the total divided by the total number of orders. Then it's going to be the probability, the number of pieces of 3, it's going to be 55. The total is going to be 330. Then we simplify this number and we obtain the probability is going to be 1/6. Okay? Then you can answer your turn on page 362. Now we continue with example 2. I'm going to erase this. Now we have example 2. Using a simulation to make predictions. Okay. At a street intersection, a vehicle is classified either as a car or a truck, and it can turn left, right, or go straight. About an equal number of cars and trucks go through the intersection and turn in each direction. Use a simulation to find the experimental probability that the next vehicle until be a car that turns right. Okay? Step 1. Choose a model. If you check in your book, you have a circle. I have 3 parts. Then it's going to be left, right, and straight. And we use coin to say it is head, it's car, and its tails is truck. Okay? Then step 2, we find the simple space. Okay, there is a car, and left, a car, and right, a car, and straight. There is a truck, and left, truck, to the right, and truck, straight. We have 6 possible outcomes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Then, in step 3, we perform the simulations. A coin was tossed and the spinner spin 15 times. Then the results is going to be left, right, and straight, and it's going to be car and truck. It's going to be 8, 6, 9, 11, and 7. This is what we obtain in the experiment, okay? Now we continue with the step 4. In the step 4, we find the Experiment probability that the car turns to the right. Then the probability that the car turns to the right is equal to the frequency of compound event divided by the total of trials. Then we obtain the probability of car turn to the right is equal. The frequency of the car turn to the right, car turn to the right is going to be 6. Then it's going to be 6. And the total of trials is going to be 50. Then we simplify this and we obtain 325. And this is the probability of a car turn to the right. It's approximately 3/25. Okay? Then you can answer, reflect of page 383, your turn and guided practice on page 384, and independent practice page 385 until problem 9.